After 9 days spent in the city, we started moving towards the nature. The major goal for this part of the trip was to visit national parks. We had visited Lake Tahoe before we began the journey. It was a perfect place to chill out. The clarity of its water and the panorama of surrounding mountains helped us to lower the pace of the trip and just enjoy the moment for a few days. It was exactly what we needed. Few days later, it was time to move on. We were rested when we left Lake Tahoe, and we had a feeling that the national parks will serve us remarkable views. However, what we have seen was way beyond our imagination. Endless straight roads in the middle of nowhere, massive canyons and huge trees gave us a truly feeling of freedom and showed us how small we are. Words can't describe what we have experienced, so sit back and just watch.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep tonight. My only vice is standing by your side. So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down, so just take me there to higher ground. I'm holding on to you, my soul is fading. I'm falling into blue, why don't you save me? My blood is running cold, so lift me up and give me higher ground.
We spent almost a week in the national parks, and I must say it was only a drop in the ocean. The parks cover huge surface, and it's a paradise for hiking and camping lovers. Countless hiking routes combined with mesmerizing landscapes make this place simply amazing. I'm glad we had an opportunity to see it with our own eyes.